Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you could generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Youngevity business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. Top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one golden nugget and bonus for the very end, so stay tuned for those instant results. Here we go. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the top lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact three-step strategy that I use to become a top recruiter in one of my companies and hit the leaderboards for sales in another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified leads and prospects to your offer within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way, you can attract targeted leads and prospects to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. Imagine how many of you would like to have a business that will work for you instead of the other way around? You're going to get my YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's get started. Step one for YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. The internet runs on search, so you want to make sure that all your content is keyword optimized. This is done by looking at what others who have already accomplished what you want to accomplish. Look at what they've done and essentially do the same thing. And you're going to utilize a tool called TubeBuddy to help you to accomplish this. With TubeBuddy, you can go to the video that you want to replicate, click on the video, and copy the tags to a Word document. So these tags are the keywords that we're going to be ranking for. Create a coherent title with your keyword phrases. Your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You want to create a description that's about 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout. Place your link at the top of that description. You want to go to canva.com and create your thumbnail and make sure you save that as the keyword as well. By doing this, you're going to be ranking for multiple different keywords that are targeted to what your niche is searching for. Remember, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy exactly verbatim what somebody said, but you want to make similar content going after similar keywords. 3 to 5 minutes. Keep your content 3 to 5 minutes and use open broadcast system to share your screen. Save the video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to go into groups where your target audience is essentially hanging out. You don't want to market to everybody under the sun. Remember, if you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. So you want to target people who are like-minded network marketers. And here's a good first message. So once you meet somebody who you know is in your target audience and you want to reach out to them, here's a good first message. Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I saw the comments that you've been making on the Tony Robbins fan page and I decided to check out your profile. It seems like we have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic. So I would love to connect. It would be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? By doing this is a good first message. Just get the conversation going so you can start speaking to people who are in your target audience. You want to engage with people on your timeline. Fill in blanks are good. Post pictures and post blog posts. As long as you're posting valuable content and engaging content, then that's exactly what you want to do. And you want to continue to go in these groups, making those 5 to 10 connections. Tony Robbins, Robert Kiyosaki, those kind of groups. Your objective here is to make connections and not to close prospects. Keep that in mind. You want to post curiosity versus resistance. So that's 90% personal and 10% about your business. So personal, lifestyle pictures, imagery, quotes, things about yourself, those kind of things. Those are all good. Your business, you're going to want to post probably results and those kind of things, but only 10% about your business. It's because a curiosity post could actually lead to more people reaching out to you and essentially will have them more curious about what you have to offer. Here's a good example. This morning I had made a great smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. So some people might reach out to you and say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that might have something to do with their opportunity. Okay. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, where some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this. I'll see you on the other side.